Welcome to Math with Mrs. M. Today, we're going to learn how to divide using standard algorithm. I'd like to go ahead and encourage my students to make a think box for the divisor so that they have an easy cheat sheet to kind of go back as they're learning how to divide using algorithm. So let's start off here. I know that 16 is a two-digit number, so I need to look at the first two digits and the number 3,936, which would be that 39. So I know that if I look at my think box, that 16 times 2 is 32. So I can go ahead and go, my 2 comes on top here. So 16 times 2 is 32. So I can then now subtract 39 minus 32 is 7. And now I know I'm going to bring down the 3 from above, so that gives me a new number of 73. I can go ahead and look over at my think box, and I now realize that 4 times 16 is 64. I can't use 5 because 80 is greater than 73, so I'm going to put my 4 up in my 10th spot. So 4 times 16 is 64, and I'm subtracting that from the 73. So I know that I can't subtract 4 from 3, so I'm going to regroup that 7 and make that a 6 and bring over that 10 and make it a 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. I'm going to bring down the 6 from above, and my new number will be 96. I'm going to look back over at my think box, and I can see that 6 times 16 is exactly 96. So I'm going to put my 6 up in my ones place up above, and then I can think 16 times 16. 6 times 16 is 96, and I'm going to subtract that, and that is 0. Therefore, my number 3,936 divided by 16 gives me a quotient of 246.